Hey YouTube, what's up? Yeah, Hurricane Ida, yeah, she here. And, whew, I'm soaking wet, but I'm gonna kind of bring you through the process of Ida and the hurricane in Louisiana. So, yeah, show you what it does around my house and show you everything that's going around here. So, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy the video, and as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. Little update at 5:42, almost 6 o'clock. Wind's starting to pick up. It ain't fully got to us yet. Going in there, mama.
Got they getting on.
Somebody was trying to break into her house.
Run, get back inside.
Because the doors and the windows are rattling so hard, she's getting alerts from her.
Courtney. Oh no.
Tell mama y'all don't try to go nowhere right now.
Tell her the baseball field's underwater.
Baseball field's underwater again. A lot of
And then lastly, just noting, this is our community. We live here too. Our employees, ourselves, we're sitting in the dark. We're ready for the power to be restored. This
You might not be able to get over there.
Team.
Well, it don't go. What's crazy, they ought to have a police up here get them off the interstate and not let them go. Not making no sense.
Oh, buddy, you better turn around. You ain't going nowhere that way. Ain't me sign down. So I'm sorry about the lighting situation, but it's currently 3 o'clock. What's today, Monday? August 30th. No lights. We got the generator running outside. Cell towers are down. I have no service. So I just figured I'd give y'all an update on where I was. Or what's going on right now. But I'm laying in my bed. Oh God. It's gonna be a long few weeks of this crap, but we're gonna get over it. So I will check back with you guys if something interesting happens or when I need to. So I figured I'd give you guys a quick update. You see there's currently no lights And yep. So we are working non-stop. So I figured I'd go ahead and end the video because I really can't film anything while I'm at work. So figured I'd let you guys know that, you know, nothing really happened after that. Lights still have not come back on. A lot of people have got lights back on. We do not, unfortunately, yet, but they're working on trying to get lights back. So that's good. But that is going to be the end of this video. I've got a few pictures I might put at the end of the video, but I don't know. So that's gonna do it. I will, when I got more time and I can. It's probably gonna be about a month or two before I post another video. I really don't know. So you guys just turn the notifications on so that when I do post an update video, y'all guys will know when it comes out and y'all can know what's going on. So with that being said, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. And that's it. Do what you love, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.